Hello everyone, I am Brandon here at the Lauren Ashtyn Collection. My expertise here is customer service and sales. Definitely a blast being here. I know you guys have seen several of our videos pertaining to the hair pieces. You might recognize Lauren as well in several of those videos. And making sure that we educate the public as well as present our pieces worldwide to all of our consumers and prospective consumers out there. This is a very unique opportunity for every one of you to take a look at our customer service part of our company, and that is why I'm here at the moment right now. I've been a part of the company for the last couple of months, and it's definitely been a blast, to say the least. This is a wonderful, wonderful company that not only specializes in presenting hair as well as hair care products to those of need, but it's definitely an investment for those consumers that are interested in our brand and our product. Unlike synthetic hair and artificial based hair, our human 100% Remy hair does wonders, and it's truly an investment for those who are seeking treatment within their hair, for their hair, or just more fullness and richness for the current hair that they do have, and present a little bit more longevity overall. For me, as I mentioned, been here for 2 months, and it's been definitely educational, but very, very gratifying. I did come from a major retail chain known as Toys R Us and Babies R Us here in the Spartanburg area, in which not only did I assist within the customer service, but I also was a supervisor and a manager throughout different departments there. So I have a good stranglehold and a grasp in terms of what customer service all entails, and thinking about the consumer instead of just thinking about yourself really leads to a strong brand, and as well as a strong communication between the consumer as well as with the company overall. And that's one of the things we're striving here at the Lauren Ashtyn Collection, is to build those relationships as well as educate all of our customers and those who are prospective customers about our brand and the hair care products as well as the hair that we do sell. We are definitely grown as a company in comparison to the last year, nearly doubling the size of options that you can choose from in terms of the color, as well as the variations of hair that you might like. As you have seen through the videos, we offer the full volume. We have the light volume pieces as well as several extension pieces as well to satisfy the demand. And as we continue to grow, we move into new office space, we'll have more and more hair that we can offer to our consumers, as well as the hair care products as well. Okay, if you'd like to contact us here at the salon, we have 2 email platforms to consider. The first one is our major contact platform, which is in Gmail. It's contact@laurenashtyn.com for all of your inquiries or concerns and order-related issues. We also have a consult-based email through Gmail as well at consult@laurenashtyn.com, consult@laurenashtyn.com if you'd like to schedule a consultation and send photos of your current hair. So those are our 2 major forms of communication through email: consult@laurenashtyn.com and contact@laurenashtyn.com. In addition, if you would like to verbalize your concern or verbalize any inquiries that you might have pertaining to a consultation, or pertaining to just simply having a question about a certain piece that you may have seen via our YouTube channel, or possibly through contact through email, please get in touch with us at our customer service phone number at 864 area code 590-8924. Once again, that's area code 864-590-8924. But overall, it's definitely a blast being here with the Lauren Ashtyn Collection. We're doing great things, and with your assistance as well as with your interest in our brand that has been growing phenomenally over the last year and a half, we're definitely looking forward to 2019 and seeing everything that we can do to not only assist you, but also to grow the brand internationally as we have.